Hi, I'm Joanne Butler with 4 beauty must-haves for the dog days of summer. Let's start with your skin. I've always been a huge bio oil fan. They're the #1 dermatologist recommended skincare oil brand for stretch marks, actually, and a multitude of other things. Well, now they've just found a way to create this new body lotion that's just light as a feather, so incredibly hydrating. I love it. Just brings a new level of lightness and body moisturization, and power-packed with natural plant oils, vitamins, antioxidants. Just absorbs so quickly and instantly, and just leaves your skin silky, soft, and smooth. Just a perfect lightweight body moisturizer for summer. You can find it online at retailers like Ulta.com for $15.99. Next up, your hair. K18 is an amazing hair care brand, and they have this new leave-in treatment that celebs like Kim Kardashian, Hailey Bieber, Rihanna, Selena Gomez all use. They have about 11 million views on TikTok. Actually, it's how popular this stuff is. They use a patented technology that repairs hair damage by mimicking nature and the natural structure of keratin, and it reverses all the damages, bleach, color, chemical treatments, heat, in just 4 minutes, and restores each hair strand from the inside out to make it strong, soft, smooth, and just bring back bounce. You shampoo, you towel dry, you put it in, leave it in style, and you're good to go. It's good for all hair types, even extensions. Find it on K18.com and Sephora for about $75. Now, with all the time spent outdoors and exposure to dry air and pollution, you may find your eyes feeling dry and irritated, and that feeling may continue as we head into the cooler months. So, got something for you. BioTrue Hydration Boost. It's a preservative-free eye drop that just provides instant moisture and relief for irritated dry eyes, just helping them feel hydrated throughout the day. The formulation is actually inspired by the biology of the eye, with ingredients like the moisturizer hyaluronan, an electrolyte, and antioxidant. It's pH balanced to match healthy tears, so the drops feel comfortable too when you put them in, which I really appreciate. Find out more about these at biotrue.com. Now, let's talk a bright white smile, because of course that's a must to master any beauty look, and I'm loving this brand White Glow. It's actually the #1 dentist-approved teeth whitening brand in Australia. They make great pro toothpaste and brushes. It was developed by a dentist. Well, it just landed here in the US at Walgreens. And this is their White Glow Accelerator Teeth Whitening Kit. It uses blue light technology similar to what dentists use in their office to accelerate the removal of white stains and discoloration. You'll notice a difference the very first time you use it. It's super easy to use, just 3 quick steps. You squeeze the bottle applicator, put the gel in the tray, pop it in your mouth for 10 minutes, then rinse. Your teeth are 8 shades whiter within 7 days. That's a great deal too, because this one kit gives you 50 applications and it's just $39.95. So cheaper than competitors, definitely cheaper than going to the dentist to do it. Again, right at Walgreens. Love, love, love it. And there are my 4 must-haves for these dog days of summer.